remember you. You looked a little different.
Leave Triangle alone!
Okay, so we're just gonna go back empty-handed? No, we're gonna go help Triangle and Russell with their guy.
What are you doing here? What is he doing here?
What is he doing here?
What?
And stay out! Oh, no, 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 come on, come on, come on! Give him back, you mangy baboon!
Okay, stop! Time out!
I don't like these guys. Stop punching me! Why me?
Russell, time again! Russell didn't think this through.
Get him!
Star Wars
Here they come.
is back.
Hang on.
Again! Russell didn't think this through.
Get him! Close it! Quick!
He's killing Russell!
Oh, wait. Forgot you still had that? Yep. It hit him in the butt. Yeah, I saw it. It was funny. Yeah, that's the part I don't like. We win!
Russell's sleepy.
Yeah, just take a nap, buddy. Come on, G, we gotta go before these guys wake up.
We didn't find our guy yet.
What?
I'm not leaving here empty-handed.
I'll come join you once I'm ready. Woo! Close it! Close it!
Hey, so,